Hello. Today, I'll show you how to extract text from an image, making it selectable and editable. First, make sure you have the image you want to process. You can save it to your computer or copy it to the clipboard. Next, access the website provided, which is also in the description of this video, and click on Select File. If the image is in the clipboard, you can also simply press Ctrl+V. Now, choose the language of the text in the image. For instance, if it's in Brazilian Portuguese, select Brazilian, and then click on Convert. The website will automatically transcribe the text present in the image. It's important to note that the quality of the image may affect the final result. This process is made possible thanks to OCR technology, which stands for Optical Character Recognition. Give it a try and enjoy this useful tool for extracting text from images with ease.